Sceptre curved 2775Hz LED monitor HDMI VGA built-in speakers, Edgeless Metal Black 2019, C275W1920RM. 27 curved monitor up to 75Hz. Fast response time. Fast response times reduce ghosting and blurring while transitioning pixels, always keeping the enemy and terrain precisely in focus during chaotic moments. Edgeless Design. Edgeless Design completely immerses you in all the captivating action and wondrous scenery that 1080p resolution and 75Hz refresh rate have to offer. Ports, one HDMI and one VGA port each accelerate refresh rate up to 75Hz, providing the visual edge you need to defeat the competition during all of your gaming exploits. Built-in speakers, perfectly suited to work in gaming settings. Built-in speakers deliver robust and smooth audio while saving space on your desk. Blue light shift. Blue light shift reduces blue light, allowing you to comfortably work, watch, or play applications without straining your eyes. VGA wall mountable. The VGA wall mount pattern gives you the freedom to select the optimum viewing position for your monitor, eliminate cable clutter, and save valuable space for your gaming and workstation. 30+ years of experience. Founded in City of Industry, California over 30 years ago, Sceptre Incorporated made a promise to create and deliver superior products for remarkably affordable prices, a rare tradition that continues today. Tiltable display. A display that tilts 15 degrees backward and 5 degrees forward allows you to find a sweet spot that bridges clarity and comfort. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.